Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amit. Friends, today I'll be talking about Instagram. Friends, you might have noticed that there are so many people on social media, they are asking you to follow them on their Instagram pages. And you might be thinking why these people are so crazy about making followers or gaining followers all the time. So today I'll be talking about two things in this video. First of all, what is the necessity of making followers on Instagram, and secondly, how you can gain followers instantly. Certainly I will be giving some tips and tricks regarding that. So firstly, I would like to discuss why people are making followers on Instagram. Friends, there is a reason behind that. If you have large number of followers on Instagram, then you can earn huge amount of money. And it's obvious that there are so many people who think that people who don't have any work to do or who are unemployed, they are wasting time on Instagram and Facebook. But it's not totally true. So there are some people who are earning huge amount of money from Instagram pages. So in this video I'll be explaining you about how they are earning money through Instagram pages. I'll give you an example because without example you'll not understand. Friends, suppose that you have an Instagram page and the Instagram page is about fitness and staying healthy, and you have 100k followers on your Instagram page. And basically Instagram page holders earn by getting sponsorship. Sponsorship may be a new term for some of you. Sponsorship means getting paid for promoting something, promoting some product on your Instagram page. Now suppose your Instagram page is about staying healthy, staying fit, and a company approaches you and the company says that they have a product regarding losing weight within 6 months, and they want you to advertise their product in your Instagram page or promote their product on the Instagram page, and they are ready to give 50,000 to you for that. Now you agree upon that, and now you are ready to promote that product on your Instagram page, and you create some post regarding that product, and you make some videos or you make some contents about that and post it on your Instagram page, and you have 100k followers. Now suppose 10,000 people out of 1 lakh people are ready to buy this product from your advertisement from the company, then imagine how much profit a company is going to make. There is a huge business involved in making followers in Instagram. Friends, in the starting of this video I had said that I'll be giving you some tricks regarding how you can increase followers on Instagram, and this trick is an old trick, yet many of you don't know about this trick. And I promise if you follow this trick, then you will instantly gain followers on Instagram. So keep watching my video till then. So friends, this is one of my Instagram pages, and you can see right now I have 113 followers, and at the end of this video you will see that I have gained some followers. So what you have to do is you have to go to search bar and you have to search for some celebrity who has big following, and you have to follow him or follow her. After following him or her, you will find that Instagram is suggesting some pages to follow, and you have to follow these pages too. And one thing you have to remember, that you should not follow more than 60 pages at a time and not more than 200 pages in a day. So that is what you have to do. You don't have to follow more than 60 pages at a time, and you don't have to follow more than 200 pages in a day. That's what you have to keep in mind. Guys, I know that this trick will definitely work for you, and please comment and let me know that if this trick works for you or not. And I'll make another video where I will teach you how you can unfollow these pages at once. And so right now I'll be following some Indian celebrities too, and at the last of this video you will see that I have gained some followers. And right now I'm following Donald J. Trump, and now I have followed this page, and right now Instagram is suggesting me some more pages, and I'm following these pages too. See, I'm following these pages, and let me fast forward my video, otherwise my video will get longer and I don't want to take much of your time. So I have followed all these celebrities, and see, I'm starting getting the followers. And friends, it's a very easy trick, and right now I'll be following some Indian celebrities. And let me fast forward my video friends. Right now I'm following Indian celebrities Ajay Devgan, and Instagram page is suggesting me some more pages to follow, and I'm following all of them. And I followed Eliana D'Cruz and Rahul Dev official. So you can see on my screen that I'm getting message from Instagram that 2 people have followed me. So while doing so, you will start getting notification from Instagram, and you will start getting followers. So this trick has worked for me, so it will work for you also. So I hope you have understood whatever I have said. So apply this trick on your Instagram page and start gaining followers on Instagram. So friends, now let me show you how much followers I have gained.
Now friends, let me show you how much followers I have gained in these 5 minutes. So now let's refresh my page, and my page is refreshing right now, and you can see I have 117 followers right now. Earlier it was 113 followers, and now it is 117 followers. So I got result, so you also will get result.
Friends, I hope that this video was informative for you all, and please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can bring such videos for you again and again. Thank you so much.